guys, my name is Lucy. Today I'm going to be doing a video where I'm going to ask people on Instagram to control this rest of the day. For the day, when the day ends. So I'm going to go on Instagram now. Oh, I have a post. Wow, obviously you really don't really care. I'm going to post loading and don't really care. Let's just do this one. Right, now finally loading onto Instagram. Which must be work. It's just loading onto Instagram. Okay. So guys, I'm going to take a picture. I'll be back in a minute and I'll take a picture and let me just get it so it can see my face. Did you see my So I'll be back in a minute. Hey guys, I just took my photo and I'm going to put a sticker on like say. What should I do? Play with, what do you guys think I should do? Comment down below. Should I play with my lab goo? Or should I play with my super great? So, what shall I do? Play with putty. Play with putty. With putty or lab goo. What shall I do? Question mark. And then I'm going to put emoji going. Here you go guys of the first thing. My post, so let's add it to my story. So guys, I'll be back in a minute when I have some reviews. So I'll be back in a minute. Okay guys, I just did it for a few minutes. I'm not joking. Three people have seen it, but 2 people have voted to play with Putty and 1 person has voted to play with Lasco. My friend Jaden has voted to play with my Putty, this girl voted to play with Putty, and I was Lucy who voted to play with my Lasco. And I'm not joking guys, please look. So guys, I guess I'm going to have to play with my Putty for a little bit. I'm not playing with it for too long. So guys, I'm going to need a break off some of it. And I'm only going to like really do it. Like, it's better, I guess, a little bit. I think I was doing this yesterday, but my mom said that I couldn't go on the laptop for some reason. Thank you guys for watching the play. It's okay. Ah! Bye. Oh! I'm doing it on the laptop. Right guys, now I'm going to do another pose. My next is going to be I don't know what you're supposed to say. Should I read Grandpa's Great Escape or Bad Dad? Two really fit David Williams books. So let's do it. So I'll be back in a minute when I have done it. So guys, and just back I put which book should I read? Should I read Bad Dad or Grandpa's Great Escape? So I did that. Now I'm going to post it. Possibly I really think that they're going to do it. So I'm gonna put can you so guys, I'll wait for them to vote and I'll see you in a bit. So guys, nobody's voted yet, so I think I'm gonna time it. That's not time it. I think I have like a lot of like notifications. I think I have like a lot of notifications now. I don't know, but I think I have this week. I don't know. Oh, I begin. Okay. I'm gonna ask if I can have some gifts for people. Hi. Please may I oh yeah. May I have the gift of you, please? I'm not asking outside, you need some gifts. I don't really have much clothes. Can you give me your hair? Well, I'm giving you one of my hair, not the hair that I'm wearing right now on NFT, because I wouldn't do that. You already have enough hair as it is, so why is that going to be you guys? But anyways, I'm kind, I'm a nice person. I'll give you a gift. Like, honestly, I will give you a gift. As long as you give me a gift back. But I understand if you can't. It's not that, I understand. You're level 6. You need to give me a gift, girl. Thank you. Okay, I'm giving you a gift. Be patient. Be patient. Fine. You can have this hair because of your lucky finger. So have any other hair? Because if I do, you can have. You can have this one. This one doesn't go with anything. There you go. That's your hair. I'm not having this hair, little one. I'm gonna see if I can have some gifts. Oh guys, let's go on and check our results. Oh, some somebody's read for me to read that, Dad. That means I'm left with you. Thank you, Jaden, for reading it to me. Oh my. So guys, hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you get comment. If you guys want to be in the hashtag Lulu Squad, all you have to do is just subscribe and like this video. No, subscribe and put channel notifications on. If you guys want to have a shout out in my next video too, then who I want you to subscribe to this cool YouTuber called Helen Williams, okay? I'll show you who she is. It's this one here, Helen Williams. I'm going to subscribe to her, and I want you guys to subscribe to her too. So yeah guys, all I want you to do, if you guys want to be the hashtag Lulu Squad, then all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, put channel notifications on, and if you guys want to get a shout out in my next video as well, all you have to do is subscribe to Helen Williams, and as well you have to subscribe to another YouTuber, which is Llama Corn and Pianos. Has a lot of those, Llama Corn and Pianos. Can't find it. There was right in here. Where? Oh, here it is. So I want you guys to subscribe to this girl's channel too. If you guys wanna be in the hashtag Lulu Squad, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, put channel notifications on. If you guys wanna have a shout out in my next video as well, all what you guys do is subscribe to Helen Williams and subscribe to Llama Corn, and as well subscribe to Tic Tac Toy. All you guys should subscribe to them too. They are so amazing. So I'm going to say it again. If you guys want to subscribe to be in the hashtag Lulu Squad, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, put your channel notifications on. And as well, if you want to get a shout out in my next video as well, all you have to do is subscribe to Helen Williams, subscribe to Llama Corn MSP, and subscribe to Tic Tac Toy. So, hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Hope you guys like and subscribe and comment. Comment down below, what did you enjoy today? And comment down below who is your favourite YouTuber. Then I'll possibly might subscribe to you and subscribe to your favourite YouTubers too. So will you guys should subscribe to their YouTubers too if you guys want to have a shout out in the next video as well be in the hashtag Lulu Squad. So I'm not going to say it again until you guys do that. And guys, if you have seen in my description on my account, it says I really want 1 million subscribers. So yes, I want you guys to give me 1 million subscribers. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time on this random video.